Your Android phone may fall into Fastboot mode accidentally, and this would be a worried situation. If you are into that situation, Fastboot mode, how to come out of this, we're going to see in this video. In this fix, we're clearly telling you how it will be entering into the Fastboot mode and how you can come out. If you're new to this channel, kindly subscribe to the channel and like and share the video. While it's a part of taking a screenshot on your Android phone, sometimes some of the Android phones would ask you to just press your volume down button along with the power button. For a certain time like this one, this will take the screenshot. See this. If you're holding the volume button, volume down button and power button continuously for a certain time, like see this, I have not even released. This would lead you to the Fastboot mode. See this? This has entered just because you're holding this power button along with the volume down button for almost more than 30-40 seconds. If you are into that situation, how you will be coming out? This is the fix. As you have entered with the volume down button and power button, and the remedy is also same thing. If you just hold it for certain seconds like this again, they should come out of the Fastboot mode. By any chance, if it is not coming, you can also go for a simple power button. In some of the Android phones, that would work. And these are the two simple things, because people doesn't know how you have entered into the Fastboot mode. They'll be worried and they'll go through here and there. They'll ask so many people how we can come out of this Fastboot mode and what exactly is this, whether any virus has been entered or not. Such things happens in your mind. See this? Now very clearly I'm into the Android phone homepage. See this? Very simple, right? Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next one. For all such fixes on your Android phone, keep subscribing this channel and like the video, share and subscribe again. Thank you.